one is about, will this work? So let's get the string. Let's have a look. So it is this string here. Hi there, Bill. All right, so let's try that out. I was hoping you'd do it the other way, but oh well. Let's put the string in here. Don't need all that. All right, we can already see an error there. See, Bill is in white. That means that it's not a proper string, and we've got inverted commas in there, and it's asking us to separate them with a colon. So there's something really wrong. So no, it will not work. And if you got that correct, that's awesome. How would you fix it? Pause now, have a go. If not, keep on watching. Now, one way is to use escape characters, is using the backslash. And just by using that in front of these inverted commas, it will make them accepted by the string. All right, that's one way. The other way is using our multi-line string. Okay, and all we have to do is use our triple inverted commas. You can put anything in there. There we go. Let's build both of those. They both work. This one actually shows you the nude lines and all that in there. If I drag this over, you can see there's a nude line there in this here. If I get rid of that and build it again, that'll get rid of that new line. Oh, actually it won't. Oh, yeah, it will. I thought it would. Okay, great. So escape characters, a great way to put in characters that aren't accepted in the string.